Hey, this is Suddy. Welcome back to my channel. You may have seen this type of anime avatar on YouTube, as many well-known YouTube channels use it. In this video, I'll show you how to create one using artificial intelligence AI, and I promise that by the time you finish watching, you'll be an expert at creating these kinds of avatars. Without further ado, let's get started creating an anime avatar.
First, we need to create the avatar portrait. You can do this with any portrait or image generator, but I will be using Leonardo AI for this. To create the avatar portrait, first go to the Leonardo AI dashboard. Next, select the image generation tool. Finally, choose a fine-tuned model from here. I am going to choose albedo base XL from this list and then type your text prompt. I am entering one that I already have prepared. You are welcome to use it or use your own prompt. I will provide my prompt in the description below. After entering the prompt and clicking the generate button, Leonardo AI produced 4 images for us. If you are not happy with the portrait, you can generate it again. This one is particularly nice. If you are not happy with the face mask, simply remove it from the prompt and generate it again. This is the final product, which I will use as my enemy avatar. Choose the one you want to use. After that, click here to upscale the image. At this point, you can see that the quality of the image is much better than it was in the beginning. Alright, let's click the download icon to save the image to your device. Now that our portrait is complete, it's time to choose a voice for her. You can either record a voice recording of yourself or have AI create one. This time, I will use artificial intelligence to create a voiceover. If you would rather use your own voice, you can skip this section. I will make use of Fliki AI. Fliki AI is an AI-driven tool for creating audio and video content. Find Fliki AI in your browser, choose the first website that appears, click on Start for free, then create an account. Once you have an account, you will be taken to this page where you can create your audio file. Click on New File from here. We want to create an audio file, so select Audio only. Next, select Language and Accents. I want to generate a voiceover in English with a US accent, so I won't make any changes. Give your file a title. Finally, select Empty File from here. Once everything is set, click the Submit button. Now we must enter our script here. Let's choose a voice actor first. Click on the actor's name from this list. There are now a ton of realistic sounding voice actors available here. Choose the one that best suits your needs after listening to a few of them. And don't forget to click the Apply this voice to all voiceover from here button. Now fill in this video script. After that, if you would like, you can add background music to the voiceover by going to the Common Scene, clicking on Choose File and selecting from a large selection of background music and sound effects. Now click the download button from this page. Next, select Start Export. Finally, press the Start button. The audio will take some time to render, so let's skip this step. Once the rendering is finished, click the download button to obtain the audio clip. Our audio and avatar are ready, so let's bring them to life. To do this, I will use ArtFlow AI, a tool for making storytelling videos. First, do a Google search for ArtFlow AI and click the first link that appears. Next, we need to create an account. Go to the left tool panel and click Sign Up from here. Now sign up using your Google account or email address. Once your account is created, navigate to the left tool panel and choose the Video Story tool. You will notice some pre-made videos here, but you don't need them. Click this link to view the most recent video. The background scene is the first thing you can add to your scene on the ArtFlow video creator page. Since our avatars are generated with proper backgrounds, we don't need them. When you select the character tab from this page, some pre-built characters here. But since we will not be using them, Go to the Upload tab and upload the Leonardo AI generated avatar. Once the avatar is uploaded, insert it into the canvas. You will notice that AI is detecting faces. To do this, click the mic icon. Next, we need to add our dialogue. You can use the ArtFlow AI voice generator to create dialogue. But since we already have the voiceover, click the Upload tab from here. Upload the voiceover file. Once the voiceover is uploaded, click on Use this audio. After that, you can add some animation, but I will skip it this time. Everything is fine now. Now to download the finished video, click this link and select the export option. Give your video clip a name, then click the export video button. The video will now take some time to render. Alright, let's skip this section. The video is ready. After clicking on the video, you can view a preview of it here. To download it, click the button below. Once our video has been downloaded to our device, let's watch it.
Hey, this is Suddy. Welcome back to my channel. You may have seen this type of anime avatar on YouTube, as many well-known YouTube channels use it. In this video, I'll show you how to create one using artificial intelligence AI, and I promise that by the time you finish watching, you'll be an expert at creating these kinds of avatars. Without further ado, let's get started creating an anime avatar.
This page might have a watermark. To get rid of it, purchase an ArtFlow subscription or use another AI tool. Alright friends, I will now finish our video, but before I do, I would love to know about your experience using AI to create anime avatars. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, happy creating. Please share your ideas and outcomes in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more incredible tutorials like this one. Remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.